Picoin is doing an incredible job to rebound off recent lows. Guys, it's actually up almost 100% from its recent lows, but yes, definitely 50% plus. From the bottom, finally, are we in a bullish case scenario for the Pioneers? We're going to be talking about it in the video today, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, other digital assets, and so on. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. Nobody can predict the future, but we can talk about the present, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing in the video. We're going to be going over this article right here. But as you can see, Picoin's doing very well over the last couple of weeks, going from 13 cents to 24 cents, back down to 19 cents, and currently trading at 22.5 cents. This is nearly a 100% increase from this bottom and a beautiful bounce. Picoin's actually been doing very well over the last couple of weeks, outperforming a lot of other altcoins since, what is this day right here? February 11th, nearly 1 month ago, Picoin bottomed out and has broken the moving averages since then. Both the 100-day and 50-day moving averages have been broken to the upside, and things are looking good here. So let's see what these analysts have to say. It says Picoin has staged a dramatic turnaround, rebounding over 50% from its recent lows to reclaim psychological support levels over the last 30 days. This sharp move has caught the attention of traders who had written off the asset during its correction. Pi is currently trading at 21 cents following its parabolic move, which has seen it outperform other major market cap tokens. Trading volume for Picoin also increased over the last 24 hours as it processed more than 41 million in spot volume and over 100 million in perp or perpetuals volume. It says Picoin price analysis recovering from the floor. Now, before we read that, I want to point out, okay, Picoin when it launched was a $3 asset. Guys, that would be a 30x increase from these lows. And it would still be nearly a 5 times 3, a 15x increase from the current price. So don't write it off yet and say, well, the bottom's already in, now it's too high, I can't get it, I'll never stand to gain any traction in it. Guys, that's still a 15x increase to reach the price point that it launched at. 2025 and 2026 have been brutal for the crypto market, and here we are with a chance to get off of the bottom. Now, it says that the 50+% rebound is not just a random fluctuation. It represents a technical defense of the lower support zones where buyers finally stepped in with conviction. When the asset drops this hard and bounces this fast, it usually signals that the weak hands have been flushed out. Technically, Pi is attempting to stabilize. The RSI had dipped deeply into oversold territory, making a relief rally almost inevitable. Its current flashing neutral at 64, almost 65, potentially signaling that the meat of the move is over. However, the recovery faces immediate hurdles. We're seeing resistance build up at previous breakdown levels. If Pi can consolidate here, the path higher holds up. If it acts as a dead cat bounce, the lows will be tested again. And at least at the moment, things are looking very good. Now, if you're interested in grabbing Pi or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, you can do so in several places. Number one, on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. You can use centralized exchanges if you would like. But of course, rule number one, do not forget to diversify. I do own a little bit of Pi, but I also own tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. Now, Bitcoin Hyper has been doing a fantastic job, closing in on $32 million raised. And these guys are building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. The way that it's going to work is you bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. You transact on the layer 2. It settles this and sends the info back to the Bitcoin blockchain. And then when you're ready to withdraw, you initiate the request, and your tokens are sent back to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, all of this could bring utility back to Bitcoin, absolutely. But the most fascinating part is $32 million raised at a period of time when everybody has been showing massive amounts of fear. I can't wait to see what these guys can do when the greed returns. So if you're interested in any of this, you got links for everything down in the description. Let me know what you guys end up doing. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.